nice and lovely, guys. So basically, if you follow me on my YouTube channel, you know exactly what's going on, okay? Because I did the detoxing water, talking about how you can make it from watermelon and cucumber and lemon detoxing. So I said to my fans the other day, I uploaded the video and I uploaded the second version. This is the third version of the watermelon water, detoxing water, which we're talking about. So what I did, I filled up about 4 containers. This is 2 left, and I want to say I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So when the time is very hot, you know what I mean, like now it's summer, if you even into another country like Jamaica, in the Caribbean anyway, you can do the same thing at home. All right, so I did full my container. Here it is. All right, what I'm gonna do is, all right, here it is. I'm gonna open this one for you, make you guys can see. Alright, so here it is. Lovely. Alright guys, so what you do, what I did, I freeze it. Alright. As you can see for yourself. So basically in the summer you can drink this. You know what I mean? Once it's in the container, just like this, what you do, you just allow it for it to keep tying out and just drink it in the summer. Very, very good recipe, guys. And I know you guys definitely will love this one. So if you follow me on my YouTube channel, you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo was talking about the watermelon and cucumber and the lime. Here it is. This is another one. Look at that. That is amazing, guys, honestly. So that's exactly what Chef Ricardo was talking about, the watermelon. And see, this is the ice. And not only that, right now you can just put this into something and make it keep it cool. If you're in a cool drink or something, you can just drink this, make it take time thaw out and melt out by itself, and just drink it. Really nice and really good, guys. New ideas and tips for you what you can do at home in this summer. You know what I mean? If you have a barbecue or a party or something, this is the idea. All you have to do is just make them from early, freeze it, turn them into cube, just like this. See? Cucumber, lemon, and watermelon, and lime.